Have you ever wondered how much you really need to save for a home? Let's debunk the common myth that you need to cough up a hefty 20% down payment. The truth is, how much you need depends on your personal savings and home buying goals. And guess what? You're not alone in this. Trusted real estate professionals are here to guide you, helping you explore various loan types and down payment assistance programs. So no, you may not necessarily need a 20% down payment to buy a home. Now let's talk about closing costs. These are the fees you pay when you're finalizing a real estate transaction. They're like the toll you pay on the road to owning your dream home. These costs typically range from 2 to 5% of the mortgage, so they can add up. That's why it's crucial to work with a trusted lender. They can help you understand these expenses and prepare for them, making the road to homeownership a little less bumpy. Remember, closing costs are an essential factor to consider when saving for your dream home. Next up, let's discuss the earnest money deposit, or EMD. This is like a goodwill gesture when you're making an offer on a house. It typically ranges from 1 to 2% of the total home price, acting as a credit that signifies your commitment to the seller. Bear in mind, it's not obligatory, and its acceptance doesn't automatically mean your offer will be accepted. It's always wise to consult with a real estate advisor to determine the best approach based on local rules. So, while EMD is not a requirement, it can often strengthen your offer. Finally, let's discuss the importance of expert guidance. Real estate professionals are your allies in navigating the home buying process. They help you set a realistic plan and budget. They can demystify the different loan types, down payment assistance programs, and closing costs. Their expertise ensures you make informed decisions at every step. Remember, buying a home is a journey, not a sprint. With the right guidance, buying a home doesn't have to be a daunting task. In summary, knowledge is power when saving for a home. Understanding down payments, closing costs, and earnest money deposits is key. Don't forget, trusted real estate professionals are there to guide you through this process. Remember, a well-informed home buyer is a successful home buyer. Happy house hunting!